Fish on, fish on. Took a minute. All right. There we go. Nice and steady. Just don't let it go.
Come on, Amanda, you got
No
it.
guarantees.
Keep reeling.
There you go, Amanda. You got it.
There you go.
You got it, Amanda.
You
Yeah.
got it.
You got it, Amanda. Keep coming. It's almost there. Oh, there's a big shark. Woo! The shark. There we go. It's in the net. Woohoo! All right, I'll take the net, the rock from you. There we go. We got it.
Nice.
How did that feel? Did that feel great? Yeah, good job.
One more.
All right. It's all right. You're good. You're good right there. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, the gap top. Gap top in the house. Captivity top.
Yeah.
I've never been that hungry.
Want to fish tacos, Kevin? What, you like fish tacos?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You need to worry about him.
Yeah. We all do, Kevin.
Okay.
Fish on, fish on.
Who wants it?
All right, Miss Ann, you want to reel? I'll hold it down. Reel it in. Let's see. Set it down right there. Oh, 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 where's it going? Where's it going? Here, you want to hold this for me? There you go. Where we at? What do we got? Hope it's not another catfish.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going, Anna.
A little roller forward.
Keep going.
Big gap top. Big gap top.
Hey.
There you go. All right. All right, we're good. We got him now.
All right, give it a little slack on that, man.
There we go. There we go. Good job, Miss Ann. Is that a big one? Does that feel good? Yeah, that's a good fight. She
Yeah,
said.
you might have got beat there, buddy.
She said they had to put my Doritos down to get that one off.
All right, I'm gonna get these on ice real quick.
How was your trip?
It was awesome. We cannot wait to go again. You guys have done an excellent job. Even though we didn't catch a lot of fish, we had an awesome time.
Yeah.
You caught a fish?
She caught a fish.
Awesome. So how was your trip? Did you have a good trip?
Oh, yeah. Awesome time.
Awesome. And you, Miss Ann? I keep running into you everywhere. Sea Star Base, and now we're over here again.
Yes, we would.
We're ready to go again? You ready to go eat lunch?
We're gonna have a
Hey.
lunch break.
Yeah, we're gonna go in there and go eat lunch, huh? All right, we'll see you in there. We'll see you in there a little bit. Don't act like you don't know us now. Don't be snobby.
Can I get one of the guys to help me down that ramp?
To help you in the ramp?
Yeah.
I can help you.
Thank you.
Yeah.